Do you know that every second you waste today will never come back? The 24 hours you have right now can become your greatest asset for the future. Value your time, because once it's gone, you can never get it back. In today's video, we'll explore how to use your time wisely to transform your life.
Time is the only thing you spend every single day. Without realizing its value, every second of your life is silently disappearing, without making any noise. The clock doesn't scream, but it slowly steals your life. When this video ends, these minutes will never come back again. So the real question is, are you wasting your time, or are you building your future? Money can be earned again. Opportunities can come back. Even mistakes can be fixed. But time, once it's gone forever. That's why time is priceless, because it has no replacement. You can lose everything in life and still recover, except time.
The biggest lie we tell ourselves is, I still have time. I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it one day. That one day has destroyed more dreams than failure ever did, because one day never appears on the calendar. What you delay totter often disappears tomorrow. Time is not wasted all at once. It's wasted slowly. 5 minutes scrolling, another short video, one more reel, one more distraction, and suddenly the whole day is gone. Then we say, I don't know where my time went. Here's the truth: wasting time doesn't hurt immediately. The pain comes later, when energy is low, when opportunities are fewer, when age increases. That's when regret speaks. If only I had used my time better, but by then, time no longer listens. Successful people and unsuccessful people have one thing in common 24 hours a day. The difference is not talent. The difference is not luck. The difference is how they use their time. One uses time to build a future. The other uses time to make excuses. We don't really waste time. We buy comfort, and comfort is dangerous, because comfort puts dreams to sleep. Every time you choose comfort, your future moves further away. Growth begins where comfort ends. Dreams are not free. They cost time. They cost discipline. They cost sacrifice. If you don't give time to your dream won't give anything back to you. Dreams don't listen to words. They respond to action. Every day, you are trading your life. 1 hour means an hour of your existence. The question is, what are you trading it for? Endless scrolling, other people's lives, or your own future? Not wasting time doesn't mean working all day. It means making small, right decisions. 30 minutes a day, but every day. That small habit can change your entire life. Big success is built with small discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Work even when you don't feel like it, because your future doesn't care about your mood. It only responds to consistency. There is no perfect time. If you wait, you'll wait forever. Start now. Start imperfect. Start scared. Time is created, not found. One day, your future self will look back and ask you, did you use your time wisely for me? That answer will define your entire life. Time doesn't forgive anyone. Not the rich, not the poor. Time keeps records of what you did and what you never started. Remember this: wasting life. The way you use your time to decide show your life will treat you tomorrow. So decide now, don't kill time. Use it, because when time is gone, it leaves nothing but regret. Every day, we spend time in tiny, seemingly insignificant moments, but every second shapes our future. What you waste today, tomorrow will make you pay. Value your time as the most precious asset of your life. If you wait for the perfect moment, you might never start. Time moves forward relentlessly. Take small steps today. Tomorrow, they'll turn into great achievements. Every moment teaches us something: joy, pain, or success. Learn from every second instead of just passing it. Time spent wisely shapes a better life. Those who manage their time manage their life. Don't full-time plan, prioritize, and value every moment. Wasting time is delaying your goals. The time you waste today will never return. Don't regret the past, but never waste the present. Small steps now led to great success later. When you value your time, you honor yourself. Wasting it is belittling your own life. Start working today for a brighter future. Time never leaves if you respect it, but ignore it and it will pass you by. Make time your friend, stay consistent, and it will bring you closer to your dreams. A single minute may seem tiny, but it can spark great change. Every moment matters. Value your time. Often we think, I have time, but we waste it on unimportant things. Using time wisely brings you closer to your goals. Money can be earned back, but lost time never returns. Use your time wisely, it's more valuable than any wealth. When you use time wisely, it teaches, improves, and guides you towards success. Don't underestimate its power. Wasting time means falling behind in life. Every day spent purposefully brings you closer to your goals. Make the most of every second. Daily, purposeful effort turns dreams into reality. Even small steps today matter more than procrastinating for tomorrow. Those who waste time lose life's most valuable treasure. Make every day count and shape your future. The moment you think, I'll do it tomorrow, is gone forever. Grab your time and do today what you can't afford to delay.